And next is date picker. Date picker is, you have seen date picker many times when you are filling the form, right? When you fill the Google form or nowadays MS Microsoft form. I mean, whenever you are filling some form where you will be need to enter the date, there will be a date picker. So this you have seen many times. Just quickly go through what and all required. Description, a drop down list box. So generally a date picker is drop down list box, right? You know that this will not be always visible. When you will click on this, then only it will open this part. So it is a drop down list box. This is the list box, and this is the only a text box. So generally drop down list box will be what? It will be a combination of text box and the list box, right? A combination of that is nothing but the drop down list box. So generally only this text box will be there. Either you can enter the value through a keyboard directly, or when if you click on this, a drop down box will be open, and through this you can set the uh, date. And you know that for this also there will be, these are the buttons will be there through which you can set the, you can increase the year, or you can increase the month, or you can decrease the year or month. And you, through this you can select the month date. So you have seen all these things. Same thing they have given from the point of view of the developer. You have to understand it, right? So there will be a left arrow moves backward through the monthly calendars. The right arrow moves the forward through the monthly characters. A date for the list box can be selected from the drop down calendar. Purpose is this. Advantages is what? Provide a representation of physical calendar, a meaningful entity. If you see this way, you will, it looks like a physical calendar, because from the childhood we have seen the calendar in this way, right? Which will be generally hanging on our home walls or house walls. So it that suddenly when we'll see that will come in our picture, and that is what it is more relative will find it. So visually distinctives, what is the disadvantage? It requires an extra step to display the calendar, and it will take little bit of screen space when you will open, and at the same time, uh, when displayed, all months choices are not visible. You need to scroll for that. What is the proper use? Wherever you wanted to enter a date, you can use this date picker. Next is tree view. Okay, I'll take this last one and then we'll stop. So next is tree view. You can see this is a tree view, right? And this you would have seen in your Explorer, where from where you can see everything of your desktop. On your desktop, what and all will be there. My document, my computer, right? You can see my document and my computer are on the top. I mean, the desktop is the root one. Under that there is a hierarchy. Under the desktop you have my document and my computer. Under the my document you have these three folders. Under the my computer you have A drive, C drive, D drive, H drive. I mean, whatever A, B, C, D drives, all those drives are there. Inside that, again, that drive, C drive, you have all these folders. So any folder which has a further level, you will be showing with the plus symbol, right? So it indicates that this Dell folder is have another levels of the next folders. So this is the way you have, this is your tree hierarchy. You can see this is the, it just something like a tree root, and for that root number of branches, from branches again number of branches and all. But only the things, the tree will be from uh, bottom to top it will grow, and our this tree is just from top to bottom it is growing. So this is again, but basically what it will be, a tree view is nothing but a list box, a special list box control, because it displays a set of objects as an intended outline based on the object's logical hierarchy relationship. So it is why it is saying as intended outline, because you can clearly make out in this desktop there are this my document and my computer is the next branch. In my document, now these three folders are the next branch. In this my computer, A drive, C drive, D drive, E drive are the next branch. So all are very clearly intended. You can make out those. And there is a logical hierarchy relationship which we can make out from here. All these three folders belong to my document. All these things which is open is belongs to my computer. All this only from here to here which is open belongs to this C drive, where this quick new NW is having only backup and HP home. So it is clear, I mean backup, HP home, iNet sound, all this belongs to only quick new, right? So very clearly we can make a difference between one folder to another folder, or one branch of or another branch, and it will open. It is like if you wanted to close, we can close it. If we click on this minus, it will close it, right? If we click on this minus, it will close it. So when we'll close these two things, this minus and this minus, only will be able to see the desktop. So completely it will be closed. The complete tree will be closed. But if you click on that, it will keep opening its branches. So this is what we are using. For that we are using this plus and minus sign, and you can go through this all the three views and everything. So the last is scroll bar. I will give the scroll bar as a self-study topic. Okay. Prepare a small examples. Don't draw such big examples. Unnecessary. Don't waste your time in drawing a big examples. A small meaningful draw example or a drawing or an image is enough. Okay.